HK? Oh, yeah. So we just arrived from the airport and our first stop is at Lin Hyung Tea House, which is one of the oldest tea houses here in Hong Kong. You know, they serve the most amazing dim sum here, as I was told, and we really can't wait to try it. What they're doing now is they're actually cleaning the chopsticks and the bowls with tea. Which is quite interesting. I've never really seen this done before, but apparently it's the best way to keep it clean.
So inside is tea leaf. They pour the hot water, and you have to sort of filter the tea leaf, and in one go pour.
Ah, nice. What does it taste like?
Leafy.
Yeah. Yummy. Chris, is it good? Yummy? Okay, I'm about to try this turnip cake, which I don't think I've ever tried before. Interesting taste. Seems familiar, but I don't know what it is.
Is it hot?
It's hot. Try this 1,000-layer cake. So similar to puto, but with custard inside. Chris, how did you enjoy the food? You want to watch, but how did you like the food? So I think what he said was he really liked the food here, and we're definitely going to be coming back for more dim sum. Yum yum yum. Okay, so I just walked up a really steep hill. It's called Peel Street, and I was carrying Tristan's. So this is how steep the road was. That's Peel Street. I'm so tired. We are at the former police married quarters, or they call it PMQ nowadays. And wow, they've just transformed it from a house, the housing of police officials, into like this creative hub where, you know, fashion thrives and interior design and interesting restaurants. And yeah, they even have workshops here. Anything that's related to creativity and like just expanding the imagination, it's here. So this is a must visit when you're in Hong Kong. The line this long, you have to wonder what the fuss is all about. Well, apparently it's egg tart. The bakery is called Tai Chung Bakery. Okay, so we're having a typical Hong Kong breakfast. We have instant noodles with luncheon meat and egg. This is how it looks when it's eaten. We have French toast with kaya spread inside, and you typically pour maple syrup on it. And we have this coffee and tea blend, which is, it's called inyo. So it's coffee and tea combined, corned beef and egg.
Water?
There's condensed milk and butter inside. So good. What do you think of your coffee? We are inside the pink tram and we're kind of stuck.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
What the phone?
HK.
HK.
You like HK?
Yes,
Oh yeah. Okay, so it was extra cold at the peak today, right, Loss?
Yep.
It's so cold. It was like 5 degrees, I think, or even less.
This one.
It's our first time to ride a tram. Can you believe it? If you've never tried riding a tram in Hong Kong, I think it's about time that you tried it because it's really a different experience. You see so many things that you wouldn't normally see if you were just walking or taking a cab or especially taking the MTR. It's really a great experience. Guess how cold it is in Hong Kong right now. 8 degrees and we're freezing. Plain Loss, explain what you're feeling.
Right now?
Do you wish that you brought your really thick jacket at home?
Yep.
Just lying there, gathering dust. I should have brought my boots. Tristan though, he is happily asleep. He's been sleeping for like 3 hours already and he loves the cold. Excuse me, what are you doing? Why are you relaxing there? What are you doing? Tristan, we're at home. Tris, you like the food? Tris, you like the food? Is it delicious?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's really yummy. I just wanted to take a moment to say that Jamie's Italian has incredible food. It's just so amazing. We're so happy. Right, Tris?
Yeah.